In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Shopify. Logging out of your Shopify account is a simple yet crucial action to keep your business information secure, especially if you've been working on a public or shared computer. Now, let's walk through this quick process together. First, you want to focus your attention on the admin dashboard. This is the central hub of your online store operations, where you manage products, orders, and customer interactions. It's a place that should be quite familiar if you've been managing your Shopify store for a while. Look towards the top right corner of your screen when you're within this dashboard. Here, you will find the name of your store prominently displayed. This is a useful feature, serving as a direct link to access various account-related settings and options. Hover over or click on your store name. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. This small menu is your gateway to a number of account settings and is especially useful for quick tasks like the one we're addressing today. Within this menu, you'll see the option to log out. It's typically positioned near the bottom, making it accessible and easy to find. Selecting this option is the last step you need to secure your account at the end of your work session. Once you've clicked on Log Out, Shopify will begin the process of safely signing you out of your account. This ensures your sensitive information, including sales data and customer details, remains secure, particularly when you're operating from a device that isn't just yours. This step may seem small, but it serves as an important practice for maintaining good cybersecurity hygiene. Regularly logging out protects your business against unauthorized access and data breaches. Remember, whenever you're done working on your Shopify store, especially on computers that others might access, logging out isn't just recommended, it's essential. This simple habit can save you from potential headaches and security issues in the future. And that, my friend, is how you seamlessly log out of Shopify. Now you're prepared to leave your workstation with peace of mind, knowing your store's information is safe and secure. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and guides. See you in the next video.